Online learning, free courses.
Okay, so in this short video, I'm just going to cover very quickly the Fiverr referral system. And what that is that any registered account with Fiverr can actually go ahead and refer their friends to Fiverr, and if they purchase a gig, you'll get $5. So how that works is you'll come here to your little profile, click on that, and it says invite friends and get $5. So click there. Now, you can do this via email, or you can also go ahead and share on social and make money that way. So it depends what you want to do. Let's say we want to do email. So I'm going to go ahead and add an email. Let's do and boom, let's preview it. There it is. Overdrive is tired of keeping Fiverr a secret. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for services where you can get everything you need at an unbeatable value. Sound too good to be true? See for yourself. And then boom, takes them right to browse the services. So that's pretty cool. And again, it's for every gig that they purchase, you will get $5 inside of your shopping balance. So that is pretty neat and cool, right guys? They don't pay you out like cash, but they do allow you to have free money to use on Fiverr, which is still cool because there's a lot of neat things on Fiverr that you can use to build your business. So, and even if you don't have a business yet, you can use it to build up your own gigs within Fiverr. Like I said, you can buy graphics for your gig covers, and those can really help a lot. You know, there's professional graphic designers. If you don't want to be the one to make your video, you can hire someone to make a gig video for you. So there's a ton of different ways that you can use Fiverr services to grow your Fiverr business. So one quick thing that I forgot to mention that is important is that Fiverr actually does have an affiliate program, and it still works the same way that the referral program works, meaning that they only pay you for first-time buyers. So you don't get a commission on every gig that someone purchases or anything like that. It's only for first-time buyers. Now, the important thing that I wanted to point out is that if you're using the old referral method, which is what we just covered, where you go up here and you go invite friends, get $5. That's the old referral method. The only downside to that is that there's no way to track your referrals that you sent out. So if you want to track how many people you've sent to and who you've sent to, then come down here, scroll all the way to the bottom where it says affiliates, and then you're going to click that, and it's going to bring you to this page here, get paid for driving traffic to Fiverr, and then boom, you're going to go ahead and click to become an affiliate. And then as you go through here, this will allow you to go ahead and track your referrals and your earnings. So I hope that has been helpful for you. Again, if tracking all of those referrals is really important to you and you have a lot of people, go ahead and actually sign up to become a Fiverr affiliate. If you just have 1 or 2 or 3 people that you're sending to, then just go ahead and use the old method of invite friends, get $5.